This is a review of the Minolta Mn4Kp1 action cam. Quite possibly the worst cam ever. So Minolta claims 16 megapixel photo resolution, 4K Ultra HD. Yeah, definitely not. 270 degree rotating head, 170 degree wide angle, and waterproof up to 100 feet. It's got the same kind of case as like a GoPro, so you can take it underwater, stuff like that. But the reason I got it was claiming the 4K video, which you'll see very shortly. Yeah, 4K 30 FPS, no way. It 100% does not do that. So here I am, I'm taking a video of my keyboard and take a couple pictures. So I got some video and pictures so you guys can hear the horrible sound quality this thing has. And I even do video with the case off too. So here's the video from the Minolta. Horrible on the keyboard. Look at the lines bleeding through. Here's the still pictures I took. Absolutely horrible. Here's the other one. Absolutely horrible photos, but listen to the sound of this thing. Even worse. It gets worse. So you can tell this has horrible mic quality. Now I give the camera to Harley, and she walks around with it.
Here's the toy.
Listen to this. It's horrible.
And here's my super brother.
And the video's even worse. I don't know how the video can be worse than this audio.
So, this is my brother. And I am going to show you my tree. It's really cool.
I'm going to show you my tree that you can barely see. It's that bad.
Turn it back to myself. Hi, everyone.
This is with the case off, by the way.
4K. Let's see if it really is. See if it really is.
As you can see, no way was that 4K, and the sound quality absolutely horrible. Minolta Mn4Kp1, run! This camera is absolutely horrible, guys. Don't get burned. Stay away. This is not the DJI Pocket. Yeah, I'll catch you guys.